I'm Charlotte with the Investing News Network, and I'm here today with our blockchain reporter, Jocelyn. We're going to talk to you about what happened in the blockchain and cryptocurrency spaces during the month of October. Jocelyn, let's start by talking about cryptocurrencies. What did we see the major cryptocurrencies do last month?
So last month, top cryptocurrency Bitcoin had a relatively stable month compared to most months. It started off just over 6,300 and reached a high of about 6,900, and then stabilized again near the end of the month at about 6,300. Notably, Bitcoin turned 10 on October 31st, so happy birthday, Bitcoin. It is the world's first digital currency, and since its inception 10 years ago, there have been more than 3,000 cryptocurrencies created, although 1,000 of those are considered dead now. Secondly, Ethereum started off at about 229 and then dipped to about 197, which is a 13% decrease over the month. And lastly, Ripple started off at about 58 cents and dropped to 44 cents, which is a 24% decrease over the month.
This year, we've seen some major tech players making moves in the blockchain space. Can you tell us about some of the latest developments?
So IBM is always in the news with blockchain. Last month, it received a U.S. patent for a blockchain-based security platform that detects data breaches. IBM is the second top company in terms of blockchain patents with 89 as of October 3rd. The company also officially rolled out its Food Trust blockchain platform, which allows retailers and suppliers in the food industry to track food movement through blockchain. The platform was initially rolled out in 2016 through a partnership with Walmart, and then spent 18 months in development, in testing.
As we wrap up, are there any news that investors should be aware of in the Canadian space?
Yeah, so last month, First Block Capital rolled out its blockchain-based ETF on the NEO exchange. It is the company's first blockchain-based ETF in Canada and tracks 40 companies in the space. And then DGM Blockchain, which is a Vancouver-based company, announced it will be developing a supply chain management platform for the legalized cannabis space. Once it's been deployed in Canada, it will consider rolling out globally. And finally, the Canada Border Services Agency announced it will be trial running a blockchain-based shipping service developed by IBM and Maersk called TradeLens. CBSA is one of the first border agencies to test the platform out of 94 organizations that are currently trial running it.
Okay, well, thank you so much. We will leave our October update there. You can join us again next month when we discuss what happened in the blockchain and cryptocurrency spaces in November. In the meantime, you can follow us on Twitter at INN_technology, on Facebook at Investing News Network, and of course on LinkedIn at Investing News Network. We will see you next month.